In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively close a Trello board. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the main page of the Trello board that you wish to close. So bring up your Trello in your web browser or the app and find that specific board. This is the board you've been working on, probably filled with all those cards and lists you've created. Once you're there, you'll notice various options and menus on the screen. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen, and you should see a button that says Show Menu. Go ahead and click on that. This action will reveal several options related to your board. Sometimes it can be a bit easy to overlook this, so make sure you're in that right corner. After you've opened the board menu, it's time to expand your options a bit more. You will see an option that says More. Click on this to open up additional settings and advanced board actions. This will provide you with a number of different tools to manage your board, which can include anything from changing the background to the more crucial actions you might want to take, like closing the board. Once you've clicked on More, you're going to look for the option that says Close Board. This is the command that will officially take your board into closure. It's kind of a final step, so if you find yourself hesitating, just remember that closing a board doesn't delete any information. It simply takes it out of your active workspace so you can focus on what matters most to you right now. When you click on Close Board, you'll see a pop-up appearing on your screen. This pop-up acts as a confirmation prompt. It's Trello's way of ensuring that shutting down the board is really what you intended to do. You'll want to double-check your decision here, as closing a board is usually a sign that you're done with whatever project you were working on. If you're sure you want to move forward, simply click on the Close button in that pop-up. And that's it. You've successfully closed your Trello board. Give yourself a moment to appreciate the decluttering that comes from closing out completed tasks or projects. If you ever need to revisit a closed board, remember that Trello allows you to reopen closed boards if necessary. This flexibility means that you aren't permanently losing any data, making it easy to keep track of past projects while maintaining a clearer workspace. So, to recap, open your board, show the menu, expand the options, select Close Board, and confirm the closure. Now you know how to close a Trello board precisely and effectively. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you once again to subscribe and like it. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.